What's up, Jace? I can't wait till we build the system where I just hit a button and all this randomizes on its own.
That's not happening.
Yeah, it is. You tie it right into random.org's. It's called an API code, which stands for something. I forget what it's called. Automated.
People are doing that on it?
So what you do is you tie into the random.org's API, and I hit a button, and you'll see on the screen, I'll screenshot, it'll have the team logos and the name, and then it has the person's name underneath the team, and it just cycles through. And it says randomizing. 3, 2, final round, boom, and then it locks it in, and it shows everybody your teams.
That'd be pretty nice.
Yeah, we're building it. We're building it. Ryan's building it.
Really?
And you still get the code at the end of the randomizer. You know what I mean? Because it's like this code here.
So that people can see it?
Yeah. But I don't have to do all this cut and paste in and... The only thing is, we'd have to build triple teams. Yeah, I mean, it's good if you're doing 30 teams, because it's always the same. 30 spots, 30 teams. Divisions will be the same. But I guess with triple teamers, we'd have to
figure that out.
Do 3 different ones, that's all. Just like I'm doing. I just hit a button. And he said he can even import over to a sheet.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yep. So I just literally hit print. Good night, wife. We got to go 6 more times. I only went 10. We're going 16. See, can you guys see that? 16, 16, 16. I did 10. And now we got to do 6 more. $16. Robert Klein time. Christopher Barr. Chris Barr. Chris Barr was a football player. I want to say a Bengal or something. Chris Barr. Maybe it's him. I feel like Chris Barr was a punter. Keenan, who was Chris Barr?
Chris Barr?
Yeah, I think he was I feel like he was a punter or a kicker for the Bengals or something. Chris Barr. Steelers, Bengals. Matt Barr. That's right.
Matt Barr.
It is Matt. Damn. My Rain Man brain has failed me. All right, let me get this select. Select 5.
Punter.
Huh?
He was a punter.
Punter, yeah. I was right about that.
For like 6 different teams. I don't see it. I don't see it.
Here we go. Danny Mendick bonus. If we can get I think I put 25 or less. Also, just for some reason, if we can get a gold card, What could I give somebody if we get a gold 10 or less? I don't have any archives left. If we get a 10 or less. Oh, I know what. I'll put in a box of the, a bonus box for the break. The 2019 Topps Chrome Update Mega Box. All we need is a 10 or less. Denning, Tyson tagged you with his Mendick on Twitter. Can't believe I lost my little elbow pad. David Fletcher. Uh-oh, drop frames. That's not good. That means we're going to be losing the feed. I think we went off air. Can you check?
Mm-hmm. Yesterday it was like off and on. USB breaks. Yeah, you're offline.
This happened the last time you came over.
It happened last night, like 2 nights ago.
Remember one time we were joking, you were like, Keenan, why is it doing that? Yeah, last night YouTube was jacked.
That's for everybody. But
Yeah. Can't connect to YouTube Live. Here comes all the text messages. You're offline. You're offline.
Is Leighton offline too? No, they're online.
See if I'm back.
Let's see if you're back. No. Let's see if you're back now.
Cannot seem to connect to YouTube
It
Live.
says it is live now. Let me see. Nope.
I know I'm on the other YouTube. I mean, I'm live. I should be live on the other one.
Which one is that?
YouTube.com/Top Shelf Breaks. Oh wait, no, I'm going to be live on Twitch. Is the TV off out there? Channels?
Yeah. Yep. It's like frozen.
Yeah, that means we lost the internet here.
Just reset the router.
Look, the internet's down. I'm still recording the hard drive though. See? So it's recording all of this. So nothing has changed or moved. Sometimes it happens. It's Comcast does these rolls.
Dude, Comcast, they were out by us today.
2 times a year.
They were talking
And
about
then up north, Chris, we were having issues with Comcast
horrible,
last week.
fucking horrible.
Yeah. I remember one night I was just getting going, and I was so excited. I had a big night. And, yeah, it's bad.
I was up in Michigan on kickoff.
Yeah.
Dude, my face was swelled up like freaking.
Ugh.
I was dying.
Yeah,
And then
it's
you don't want to
bad.
take Benadryl at noon or
No, because then you fall asleep.
you'd be out on your ass. Yes! That's the way to do it, baby. Blue Jackets. Taking it down.
All right, internet's back. Come on, internets. It's letting me on Twitter and stuff, so internet should be back.
Is Mindeck back?
All right, we're streaming live out to Twitch and Twitter. And then now this is the magic one. It should go back out. There we go. All right, we're good. The internet went out here at the building. Comcast. So don't worry, it's been recording the whole time. So when I upload this video, you'll hear me and Keenan cursing the internet and stuff.
Mother.
What the hell? So the whole thing has been recorded on the hard drive. Nothing changed. So
Chris running into it.
we're back. Yeah, and
Dumpster.
I almost broke my neck running back it into a dumpster. Decided to take the trash out and come back. Sean Manea. I was telling Keenan, I'll never forget the night. I don't know, Ernie was there for the night. He'll remember it. I think it was like maybe year 2 or so, maybe year 3 I was doing this. I was in the basement. And I did a whole week's worth of promotions for winning spots, winning boxes, winning items. Like I did a whole night, big night, driving everybody to chat. It was 9 o'clock, top of the hour. Room was filled. Back then I had like 30 to 35 people 3 years ago in my chat room. It was huge. And I had something on the table, on the break table. It was a heavy duty, I forget what it was, a book or something. Well, the book fell off the table and landed on the power strip. You know the power strip you plug your stuff into? It has a little button on it. It fell off the table and landed directly on the power strip, on the power button, and turned off all the power. It was unbelievable. Power, not internet. If it's the internet, I can still record. But it dropped and knocked the power off because it hit the damn button. I was freaking out. I wasn't doing a break at the time. I was just getting started. I was playing my music and I was so excited. Killed the excitement. Ernie remembers that. And then there was a night where we couldn't figure out the internet. And I ran out to Best Buy. Literally, it was like 8 o'clock. I said, I'm running to Best Buy. Maybe it's a bad, I'm doing all this troubleshooting. They said, well, maybe it's a bad piece of wire that you're connected from your internet. So I went all the way out to Best Buy and spent like $40 on this high-tech wire. That didn't do anything. Lorenzo Kane to 50. What's up? I think Lorenzo Kane is dope. Milwaukee. We didn't even get to the hits of this stuff yet. I needed some power converters.
Two counts, I said. Jesus Christ.
Hmm?
Bruce Sterling.
So these two should be autos. Well, where's all of our hits from this box? Not only did the power go out, Keenan, we got dicked on hits. Unless I missed them. How's that for controversy?
Did you really?
I'm not kidding. There was no hits in this box. Wow.
Let me see.
Look, they're all here, right? That's it. No hits. I don't care. The whole thing was recorded. There's proof. Panini, you owe me a box. It's supposed to be 2 autos and 2 memorabilias. And there is nothing.
Nothing in there. Let me see that other stack.
I just went through it.
Nothing?
Nothing.
It looked like there's an auto.
Huh?
I said it doesn't look like there's an
No,
auto.
Keenan. There's
You didn't get nothing.
there was absolutely nothing in this
You
box.
gotta keep that box
Take it out.
in a pack from the box.
Wow.
You got 2 of those.
Well, I got it on video, so
You got my football and you got that one.
you're what?
My football.
Yeah, that's still in the system.
That's freaking like $1,000 a box now. 'Cause that's
That was
FOB.
first off the line select, yeah. Nope, the only thing that was in that box was a Lorenzo Kane. So I'm going to upload the video and then I'll send it to Panini. They can watch the whole video because it's recorded to my hard drive, so. Oh, I need that.
Back comes over.
What are the odds of that crap? I'm sorry, dudes.
Back to back.
I hope not. These are the final 2. They were back in the box. In the.
No, I'm saying back to back. Internet and then that.
Oh yeah, no. The internet goes out. Breaker comes back. No hits. Thank God it was recording, because that would be a conspiracy of all conspiracies.
You actually got up pretty quick and you moved that pallet.
I felt like if I left, the internet would come back. Wowzers. Yeah, there's nothing I can do about it, dudes. There's not one thing. I can't even put another box of this in because these are the final 2 boxes. That did happen once. What was that? It was a new release. I think it might have been. We had a box, and maybe it was in a. It was Contenders. Was missing. Didn't have 1 hit in it.
It only takes 10 years to get something.
So I said, you know what, guys? That sucks. I'll put it in. So I put it in on my own, you know. If I had another box to select, I would put it in. But I don't. I will put the box in, and I will deal with it with Panini. Jonathan Hernandez. Now watch this box have 10 hits.
That's 2 autos in one
Two,
pack.
2 autos, 2 packs.
2 packs.
Yeah, well, they don't have an excuse, so.
Only takes you a bit to get something back.
Yeah, but I thought of an idea with them. What they should do is have a thing called Panini. I mean, they already have Panini Direct, but number to 25.
They should have somebody, that's all they do all day.
When I post the video of this break, guys, you should retweet it and tag Panini customer service. So when I tweet this breakout, you'll see it on Twitter. You should write back and tag them and say, yeah, I was in that break and there was no hits in the box. That'll get their attention. I'll fill out the thing. And they should, in theory,
He's got 2 boxes now, so.
deal with it.
What is that going for? Let me look
What?
it up. Was that select?
This is Select Baseball.
No, that was select football that I had.
Oh, yours. Yeah, you have a Select Football first off the line
Right.
that I submitted. But we don't have video of that.
I got video of it.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Sean Murphy. Oakland.
Yeah, $1,000 a box.
That first off the line select is $1,000. Yeah, I have Prism first off the line, but it's been terrible. Don't nobody got though, Mr. Juan Soto.
Yeah, I bought that box and I didn't get, that was, I didn't get any hits in that whole box. 0.
Like this? 0, nothing in it.
And it's FOTL. Like, I think I got, like, 1 auto or something.
Missing hit, I think we filed. Well, they sent your Luca back. I thought, now I got a Kobe Bryant auto damaged in there, and your first off the line missing box.
That Luca's pretty crispy.
199 and a Matt Boyd.
Be a 10 ball.
Geez, I don't even have an archive signature series to put in for you guys because customer came in today and bought the last 3.
I think a 10 encased Luca, 25 racks.
Your card?
If it comes back a 10,
What are you going to do with it? How much of that do I get since I sent it in to Panini for you?
I'll give you a nice little gift. I'll have to get some boxes after I sell it. I think there's one online right now at 75 with like 30 watchers at 26,000. It's a 10.
Wow. Aaron Judge.
Let me see if it's still out there.
There's a red trout. 199.
Yeah, there it is. That's the 75.
$25,000 or best offer.
But there's 23 watchers.
Yeah.
That's the only 10 out there.
No.
Pop 1. Pop 2. Mine will be pop 3.
Wow. All right. So I'm going to upload this video now before I forget. Stop recording.